Welcome to the Hand Therapy Digital Training Portal. I'm going to be giving you a quick overview of what you can expect from this training solution and how it allows you to go through content at your own pace on any device. The first thing you're going to notice as you log in is that it's a completely personalized training experience. You can see your overall progress throughout the 45 lessons, and you can see visually as I scroll down here which lessons you are yet to complete and which lessons have been completed. By simply clicking on the icon, it accesses the latest training content and shows you what you have to go through, with each individual screen giving key aspects of what information you need to know. By going back to the home screen, you can scroll down through each lesson, and as soon as you complete a category, the category closes, showing that it is being completed. What's great about Robin has put together here is there's over 45 lessons, 5 practicals that can be completed, and 8 assessments that are available for you to go through at your own pace. You can see a range of video content that you can go through at different stages, rewatch, downloadable pieces of information that are referenced back to each lesson. So it's easy to be able to navigate through the lesson and the additional material that is available. What's great is at the end of this training content, it immediately delivers your overall certification of achievement, as well as which accredited body it applies to and how many CPD points you have qualified for. We look forward to being able to take this training experience with you and have you give your feedback on the overall program.